So as promised and as I stated when I did that mini SE repair video and the test footage, that this lady told me about this pond because a dog went back there, and I tried to go and capture the pond with the mini SE, but it just could not do it, didn't have the range, and that's due to it's a Wi-Fi drone and stuff like that, and also was picking up a lot of interference, so the chances are that football field behind there or something probably has jammers or something. Either way it goes, I went ahead and actually used the Mini 3 Pro to do this one and the Pro controller, and it did great. So here we go, we're going to that same pond that I promised that I would film, and this time around I was able to get the whole entire pond essentially. So here you go, and go and aim the camera down, and I'll go and let you enjoy the footage. Does go a lot farther than I originally thought it was, because I thought it was just this only, and I found there's actually another section to it, so I'm just following the stream here. And it's pretty nice back here, actually. I didn't know all this was back here. So here you go. Here's pretty much we're coming close to the end of it. There's even some houses hidden back there too. Here's the end of it essentially, because over there is the street, and then there's some other houses. There's some other smaller ones back there, but most of this is all houses, and then the railroad's not far from here. So right now I'm just kind of scanning the area for any other interesting things that I could find in this area, since I really never actually brought the drone back here before, so I figure I'll go and look around to see if anything else of interest is there, and there is a railroad over there. Either way it goes, this is pretty much the end of this.